Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into an exciting new addition to the Knowby ecosystem, the Knowby Capture Chrome extension. This powerful plugin allows you to capture digital instructions directly from your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge web browsers, making process documentation faster and more intuitive than ever before. Let's jump in. I'll share my screen and show you how it works. The Knowby Capture tool sits right at the top of your browser. There are two easy ways to get it. First, if you click the Create button and don't have the extension yet, select Capture with Extension. It will automatically point you to the download page. Another option, simply search for Knowby Capture in the Extensions store and hit Install once you find it. Let's look at the real-world example using Google Calendar. Once you hit the Start Capture button, the extension begins a countdown. It captures the starting URL immediately. Later, when someone views the Knowby, they can click to navigate directly to the same starting point. As I create a Knowby Capture demo meeting, let me add guests or hit save, you see the tool follows me. It records every click and every step of the process. So before you even finish, you can change the title right here. For example, how to create and delete a meeting. I will add a description, or I can even capture the cover image. Right here, I'm on the website, so I'll just click Add Cover Image, and the screenshot is now here. One more thing worth mentioning, if you decide to cancel the recording, simply click the trash icon button here and discard this capture. I won't do it now because I still want to work with this capture later. So once you hit Done, the capture is sent straight into Knowby Studio for final touches. One of our favorite party tricks is a PDF function. If you have existing SOPs in PDF format, don't start from scratch. You can simply upload your PDF and use the screenshot tool to capture images directly from the document. I'll now upload mine, and I will use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V or Command on Mac to pull text from the PDF into this Knowby steps right here. So this is how you can create a quick guide from a PDF. You can go through and just copy and paste all the text you want, add a blank step, for example, here, or in here, I might just want to add this as a step text and select the image as a step media. In case I need an extra step before this one, I click Add Step, and also I can move steps around. If I created the wrong screenshot earlier, I'll just remove that media, or I can delete the whole step. So yeah, you could just go through and copy paste all the way through to be able to create the Knowby that you want from a PDF. Once you've finished, click Done, and the capture is sent to Knowby Studio. Now let's go to the Knowby Studio. Here you can see that inside the editor, your recording is transformed into a step-by-step guide that we call Knowby. You'll notice little red dots on your screenshots. These automatically highlight exactly where you clicked during your recording. So if you need to move a highlight, just go here to Annotate and drag the circle to the perfect spot. You can resize it and change the color, for example, to match your organization branding. You can also crop images, more tightly to focus on the specific buttons. It is possible to add stickers and text overlays. Let me show you quickly. You can turn text into formatted notes as well. For example, you had this captured steps, but you can click here and use our new color-coded backgrounds. We have red, amber, green, or gray, for example, to highlight warnings or tips. And once your PDF content is in Knowby, you can instantly translate it into over 130 languages. For example, German with one click. I'll show you now. You can still use all your favorite Knowby features, like linking to another Knowby at the start of a task or add forms. Once ready, publish your Knowby and make it accessible for the rest of your team, or even share it publicly. One more thing I'd like to show you is how to use Guide Me mode when you've created a Knowby with Knowby Capture. because we've all been there, toggling back and forth between a tutorial tab and workspaces, losing your place, getting frustrated. So if you're working on a single laptop screen, like I am, this is for you. Notice the Guide Me button right here. So when I click this, watch how the interface adapts. Instead of staying in the main window, the Knowby instantly docks itself into this side panel on the right. Now I have my instructions on the right and my actual software on the left. So, it's a true side-by-side experience. And you can follow the steps in real time without even losing sight of your work. It essentially turns any single monitor into a dual screen. Yeah, and it's also context aware, so it stays out of your way. It ensures you get the job done right for the first time. Oh, and have you previously used Scribe to build your documentation? Because now you don't have to start from scratch. You can easily migrate your content into Knowby. Make sure that this URL leads to a published Scribe and not your private one. See this one, for example. I copied the URL and now I go to Knowby app, I click create and select an option import from Scribe. Insert the URL and click import. The system will create a Knowby from this Scribe, which you can find in your drafts. And let me share. Yeah, here it is. The Knowby Capture tool is an extension of the entire platform. Need help? Click the question mark icon to visit Knowby Know-how, where we are transparent about what we capture to ensure the best user experience. Reach out to us at support@knowby.co for a one-on-one demo at no extra cost, or if you have any other question. Whether you're a deskless worker in the field or a desk-based employee in the office, Knowby is your enterprise guidance platform. And guys, before you go, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That way you won't miss any of our upcoming videos about new features, or maybe some helpful how-to guides. And shout out if there is anything else we can help you with, and we can't wait to see the Knowbys you create. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!